The Blue Ginger Collection haircare line from My Black is Beautiful features antioxidant-rich, blue ginger to gently cleanse and restore moisture, to promote hydrated hair and a healthy scalp. Our Cooling Scalp Serum relieves scalp dryness and itch with a minty, cooling sensation, leaving your scalp refreshed and revitalized. Directions. Section hair as needed. Squeeze 1 to 2 drops directly on affected area of scalp. Massage for even distribution. Do not rinse. Can be used 1 to 4 times daily or as directed by a doctor. Pro tips. Apply a few drops throughout the day to soothe and cool your dry, itchy scalp. Sulfate-free and paraben-free. Relieves scalp dryness and itch with a minty, cooling sensation, leaving scalp refreshed and revitalized. Associated with dandruff. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product line. I was surprised on that it actually smells really good. It made my scalp feel real tingly, which is a good thing. It did not take much, makes my hair feel really soft. I like that it has a spill-proof seal on the inside.